In this tutorial, we are going to create the first Windows form application. Go to the File menu, select New Project. From Visual Basic, select Windows Form Application. Choose the proper location and name and click OK. This will create a Windows form application project for us. And here it is. This is how the form will look like when we run the program, and these are the properties of this form. Let's run the program. So this is the form as we have seen, and there is no functionalities. So let's close it and add some functionalities. Go to Toolbox and pin it. Here in the All Windows Forms category, you'll find a lot of tools that we can use in the designing of our form. We will use the text box. So select it and just drag it. Place it wherever we want to. Remember, when we select this, the properties will change to text box. So right now, what we are looking at are the properties of this text box. Text box 1 is the name. If you want to change that, scroll down and in design, you'll find the name. But right now, we will leave it as it is. We will need a button also. So we'll scroll up, select button, drag it and place it. But we want to change the text of the button. So we'll select the button, scroll down, and here you'll find this text property. So let's change it to Go. And as you can see, the name is changed. We will need one label as well. So let's go there and select the label. Drag it and place it. This is it. So let's run it. When we run this time, there is a text box, button and a label, but this doesn't do anything. That is okay. Let's just close this. Now double click on this button, and what we will see is Visual Studio have created this code for us. This is an automated code generation which is provided by Visual Studio. So when we double click on this button, it creates a private subroutine button1_click, and that handles button1.click event. So whatever code we write in this subroutine will execute when we click on this button 1. What we want is just to display the text we write in the text box to the label, and we will do that by using label. Remember, when I start writing it, it will give me suggestion. So this is our label 1, and I'll press tab. I want to access the text property of this label. So I'll type dot and text. As I start typing, the suggestion comes up and I'll just press tab. That will be equal to the text box 1 dot text, and this is it. So let's run it. Here is our application. Let's write hello world and click on this button. And as you can see, our label has been changed. So this is how we can create a rich Windows form application using all of these tools and the Visual Studio.